Again,
don't ask me like this. Don't put a question to the court like this.
But sir, we are not supposed to file second 156(3) before the magistrate. That is nowhere written in the CRPC.
You must have your own knowledge about it. Use your brains. This is not the way to argue in the High Court. Was it not your obligation?
But sir, that was not my contention today. That was just that as
your contention can be varied day to day.
This is an application for registration of an FIR. Your Lordship, I would like to start where I have actually ended before the division bench in the contempt proceeding. The contempt is proved against the police officials, but I could not argue the merit of the case in the contempt jurisdiction, so I was asked to present my case before the appropriate forum. Your Lordship, this writ petition is filed against the SHO BM Patel, Mehsana, who has been protecting SHO BM Patel of Mehsana.
Who is SHO?
Sir, BM Patel, who has been actually protecting the accused in the present case, and he has not registered FIR. And in the contempt jurisdiction, Your Lordship, I just would like to draw my Lord's attention on the contempt order.
SHO means PI?
Yes, Your Lordship. Station's house officer, police inspector, Your Lordship.
He used to call him PI, police inspector.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship, the contempt order is on page number 27. That is the order.
27.
Yes, Your Lordship. I just want to go through the paragraphs, Your Lordship, so that will enlighten the case. Your Lordship, that was filed under the contempt of Lalita Kumari versus State Government of Uttar Pradesh, in which if there is a cognizable offence made out, so it is mandatory for the police officer to register FIR. Your Lordship, then the notice was issued by the division bench, and after issuing the notice, the police inspector closed the report by saying that there is no cognizable offence made out in the present case. Secondly, Your Lordship, out of 20 offences that I have already annexed in the present petition, he chooses to pick up 1-2 offences which are not cognizable and say that.
But what has happened to that report dated 1/11/2021?
Your Lordship, that was the closure report. Before this, the notice was issued by the division bench. So pursuant to that notice, they have closed the matter. Again, violating Lalita Kumari, I pressed for that.
So go before the court of magistrate now.
Your Lordship, that is also there. 156(3) is missing from the magistrate court. That we have already filed, but that is not available now in the magistrate court. We have already exhausted. I don't know, Your Lordship. The applicant has contacted the registrar multiple times. So, Your Lordship, just for the clarification, page number 3, Your Lordship. Serial number 4.
Page number
3, Your Lordship. List of dates. Petitioner filed 156(3) CRPC in the Mehsana court before Judge Shri A.K. Gohil. In the admission hearing, Judge ordered ATR, that is action taken report, from police. However, the whole petition went missing. The petition inquired with registry, especially with the Bhagirath Singh Jadeja. The phone number is there on multiple dates, but one of the date is given, but no avail. Then, Your Lordship, that is still pending, no update from the registry side. So the only effective and efficacious remedy was for us was to file the contempt jurisdiction that we have filed, but we could not argue the merit of the case in that jurisdiction. So now the applicant is before this honorable court, and my lords are aware of the applicant also, who appeared as a party in person for questioning that 506 FIR, Abhishek Mishra from Delhi. So that was nothing but a case filed against him in which he.
How do I know him?
Your Lordship, actually, he appeared for questioning of that FIR, and yesterday he appeared before my lords. So just to take the revenge, Your Lordship, the original complainant, he was the original complainant, and he was made accused in the present FIR. Who? The applicant himself, under 506, that he was threatening his wife and so on and so forth. So, Your Lordship, and why the police are doing this? That is an important question that I need to address before my lords.
What has happened to your petition before the magistrate?
That went missing, Your Lordship. The applicant inquired about that 156(3) application.
Make an application there for restoration of file.
But sir, that was not there. He contacted the registry official and they said we are searching. But till like what date, they are not giving any date to it.
Have you made any application?
After that, Your Lordship, the applicant has preferred, like I appeared in the contempt proceeding. We proceeded thereafter.
About the status of your application at the magistrate court.
Sir, again,
you must have approached them by and talked in oral.
But sir, of course, it was important for the applicant to register that FIR and at least pursue the legal course that was available to him.
Correct, but therefore you have correctly approached the learned magistrate. Now you must pursue that remedy.
But sir, he had already exhausted that remedy. Now he can't go again and again before the magistrate and say that.
Why he has exhausted?
Again, sir, because there is a political involvement in the matter, so of course he did not want to appear it again because before the magistrate, before the Mehsana court.
Who?
The applicant, your lordship. He had.
That's not the criteria. You don't have any choice, sir.
But sir, if
your application is largely pending before the magistrate.
But that is missing, your lordship.
But
that is my
submission. That you can take some remedial steps.
Sir, the remedial step we took, we filed contempt petition against the same SHO. We contacted DGP also, even your lordship, just for.
That is not the remedial steps, Mr. How your contempt petition is relevant when your file is missing in the magistrate court?
Sir, so we can't be the moot spectator in that matter. We have approached this honorable court through SCR, that is before this honorable court now. So we have exhausted the effective and efficacious remedy that was available to us.
Mere filing is not exhaustion.
But sir, we have actually contacted the registry official multiple times.
Make an application.
Again. But
Don't
sir,
ask me like this. What you are supposed to do is your lookout. Don't put a question to the court like this.
But sir, we are not supposed to file second 156(3) before the magistrate. That is nowhere written in the ECRPC.
You must have your own knowledge about it. Use your brains. Guide your client accordingly. If court record is missing, there is a provision. There is a procedure. You must make an application before the concerned court for the reconstruction of the matter.
But again, sir, with that phrase will again come. Justice delayed is justice denied. Sir, let me.
Mr. Rather making such a issue in casual manner, put your house in order. What pursuant to the order passed by this court on 25/4/2022, what additional documents you wanted to submit here?
That was 156(3) itself, your lordship.
Where is that?
Your lordship, that is already there. I think it is not on record. That will place, your lordship. But again, that is a plain document.
It is your request matter was adjourned.
Yes, your lordship. That will place, your lordship.
When? As per your convenience. You must start with this only.
So, your lordship, I have that, but I'll place it in the registry.
At your request, the matter was adjourned because you wanted to place it something on record.
Your lordship, I'll place it.
This is not the way to argue in the High Court. Don't make only submission on submissions. You have not complied with the order of this court. What to do? What to do? I am asking you.
Your lordship, I'll place it.
Upon my asking.
No, sir, I'll place it.
Was it not your obligation?
But sir, that was not my contention today. That was just that is
your contention can be varied day to day. Confidence is a very good thing of a lawyer, but don't be overconfident. You would not do it. Even we don't expect.
In that case, that I should.
That's all right, sir. Matter is over.
Your lordship.
Take your seat, please.